Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be making dinner. Basically, I'm making like some cabbage with bacon and sausages with peppers inside of it. I don't even know what it's called. It's just that it's dinner, and right now I'm browning my bacon. Hold on. Fried cabbage. Now I have my bacon browning, and yeah. Cabbage right here, and these are the sausages. This is just your regular smoked sausage, and here is some peppers. And yeah, the bacon is officially done browning. I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausages now. Just add our sausages. We're also going to add some of our peppers. Get those in too. Then a little bit of this. With this, along with some of this too. I know. Just gonna stir that around. Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all get a better view. Here's a better view. And then we're just gonna take the sausages out once they're brown and the peppers wilted. I'll be back once that's done. I'm gonna just go ahead and add the bacon in. We're gonna stir that around. And here's the cabbage. Show y'all once it's wilted down. I'm also making some Texas toast with cheese on it as a side. The cabbage is slowly wilting. I mixed it a little bit. That's how the sausages look and stuff there. There's peppers in there too. You can see them right there. But yeah, this is a checkup on it, and yeah. I have the garlic bread in the oven right now. Well, not in the oven, but like it's in here. I'm gonna get ready to put it in the oven once the oven is done preheating. The cabbage is officially done. This is how it's looking. Right now, we just waiting on the garlic bread, and I'll be back once my plate is made. The garlic bread is officially done. This is how it looks. I got that tripod so I can get all kinds of angles. But yeah, this is the dinner. I'm gonna make my plate. I'll be back. This is my final plate. I have the cabbage and some garlic bread. And yeah, that's Make sure you like and subscribe for more YouTube videos. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And bye.